Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the turntable with rollers on your Bosch microwave. To remove and replace the turntable with rollers is actually very easy and does not require any special tools. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. The main reason you're going to be looking at removing and reinstalling is if over time there's been a spill and there's been some foreign material get down underneath the tray or even down in underneath below that where the rollers are. First thing you're going to want to do is open up the door itself, and if anything's sitting on the tray inside the microwave, you'll want to remove it. If your microwave has the wire rack still in place, you'll want to slide that out and set it to one side. Once you've done that, now you're just going to reach down and with your fingertips on either side of the glass tray, just lift it up and out. And once you have that removed, you're able to just reach in and remove the lower ring with the little rollers on it. To reinstall it, it's going to be just the same process except in reverse. You're going to take the little circle with the rollers on it and set that down into place on the bottom of the microwave, and then bring in your glass tray and set that down on top of the rollers. And then again, if you've had a wire rack in yours, you can slide that back into place, and then it's just a matter of closing the door and you're good to go. And that's just how easy it is to remove and reinstall the turntable with rollers on your Bosch microwave.